She's playing with Wiki. How cute. They could be best friends. Oh, he can't get it out of there. Oh, okay, good. She threw it over the fire pit. I thought you were trying to tease him. It was cute before. She was like walking him with the stick. And as soon as I turned the camera on, it changed. Everything. We just stopped doing what we were doing. You know? Walk him again. Get it, Ricky, get it! Now you can walk him. Oh, nope, just kidding. He laid down. You lazy dog! Look. Ooh, this one falls apart. Don't hurt him. Yay! This is the game that goes on and on.
Good boy. Give it back.
It's mine!